Despite the changes, the spirit of the Cattle Drive lives on, just in a much tastier way, at the Cattle Drive Café. Here, they're big on beef, not just in the food, but in the puns scattered about the restaurant. You can grab some fresh air on the cow patio, or take a seat on the couch while you wait. But rest assured, Cattle Drive's owners Todd and Vicky Verdon will have you chowing down on Texas's favorite food group, cow. But here, cow comes in many forms.
That's a Cowboy sushi. It's wrapped with hamburger meat and bacon. It's a jalapeno popper on steroids.
Well, you've wrapped a jalapeno popper in a hamburger patty.
Yes,
How
sir.
could that be bad?
Yeah. Wait till you try the dip.
It's kind of an A1, a little bourbon and apricot.
That was good.
The owners originally came down from Abilene just to remodel the building, but ended up falling in love with Coleman and decided to open a restaurant.
I think it's wonderful. We're very, very proud of our little town. Todd wanted to name it the I Don't Care Cafe.
Where do you want to go eat?
I don't care.
But because the Cattle Drive came through here, that's the Cattle Drive.
They wanted to be a true community spot and even asked the locals to name the bull that hangs proudly over their bull bar, Big Willie.
And he's even inspired a menu item.
Willie Nuggets.
Well, okay, what's a Willie nugget?
That would be a Rocky Mountain oyster, calf
That's what I
fry.
was expecting. Yeah, city folk don't eat that much.
Not too much.
And the Cattle Drive doesn't just serve Texas beef. They serve Coleman Texas beef. Because while Big Willie's watching, well, the beef better be boss.
We buy all of our meat whole, we cut it all ourselves. All of our hamburgers ground in-house,
No kidding.
which is just basically our trim off of our steaks.
So this might be ribeye hamburger meat.
Right, ribeye sirloin, that's what you're getting.
Okay, that's why it's so good.
Right.
The chicken frieds and the KC steaks on the menu sure do look delicious, but I can't pass on a good house-ground burger. I mean, if you were hangry walking in, you definitely won't be leaving. So this is the Hangry Heifer. It's 12 ounces, and that's the standard burger. Let's see if my math is right. That's
8 or some beep, 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 beep.
3/4 of a pound. Normal burgers like quarter pounders. Oh. Those are grilled onions, grilled jalapenos, bacon, lettuce, tomato, pickles. This burger's awesome. I got bacon hanging out of my mouth. Hand-cut fries, hand-battered onion rings. I mean, they're going to the trouble of grinding their own beef. And when a place is gonna take that much care just to get the burger right, that's a burger you wanna eat. I gotta say, this is a really good burger. He's just staring at me from that room over there. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.